Hi guys! So this is Ray and welcome to my vlog. So today mag-unboxing tayo ng Armybomb version Mots Mouth the Soul Special Edition Lightstick. So let's open the box and let's see what's inside. Taran! So ito, nakuha ko tong freebie. Binili ko to kay Shop. So, that's one of my trusted. At lagi ako dyan bumibili ng merch. So, carefully, let's open the packaging. Dan, dan, dan. Dan, dan, dan. Wow! My goodness! It's so pretty. So, ayan siya. Medyo glittered yung black, yung hawakan mismo. So, ang pretty niya. Okay. Okay. Kala ko mag-slide. So, ito na. May kasama siyang bag. And then the strap. It says BTS and then Army on the other side. So, this is the bag. And also, isa sa favorite ko about Armybombs is meron siyang photo card. Si Namjoon, si Jin, Singi, J-Hope, si Jimin, si Taeyong, at si Jungkook. So, anyone's wondering, my bias is JK. JK, JK, JK. Okay. So, yan na yung kabuuan ng ating package. May manual, of course. So, itry na natin siya. Kaya doon ako makita. So, kailangan natin dyan ng AAA battery. So, tatlong AAA. Oops. Kumugulong talaga sila. So, tatlong AAA. Lalagyan natin doon. Then, papailawin natin siya. Okay, ayan na. 3, 2, 1. Yes. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Grabe. Legit. Ang saya talaga. Yan. So, marami siyang function. Merong stay lang yung ilaw. Meron nagbe-blink. And then, merong super bilis na blink. And then, yung last one is parang nagmamatay sindi ng mabagal. Okay, so yan. So, pag binaba natin siya, sa pinakababa, yun yung setting niya for Bluetooth. But I haven't tried it kasi gamit ko yung phone pang record. So, ayan. It's so pretty, grabe. Oh, mama, nag-concert na si ate. So, ayan. Thank you for watching. Mwah! Nag-concert.